Hey.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Been too long from a nigga so cheap. Being flex OD, sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl,
Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you ballin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Waiting, hitting you the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now they silent.
Hey y'all, it's Monday. It is 11:42. Yes, I'm at home because no, I didn't go to work. This working shit, I can't do it. It's like getting up and going to work for somebody. It's not what I'm trying to do no more. I don't like it. Especially not when I know I don't have, okay. Not that I don't have to, because I'm not in the position to not to have to. But like, I could be. All I gotta do is do it. So, that's what we working on. But yeah, I just needed a day to myself. So that's what I took. And I'm about to go get something to eat. People are so weird. Okay. So yeah, took a day off. I'm just at home, chilling. I didn't finish cleaning up my house yesterday, so that's what I'm gonna do today. Finish cleaning up my house. I don't know. My energy wasn't right to go to work. My energy just not right, period. I think it's because I started my cycle today, so I feel gross. So what I'm about to do, goodness, what I'm about to do is go get some lunch. I think I'm gonna just go to Chick-fil-A. The line shouldn't be too crazy because it's Monday. Oh, look at that bee. Get it from over here. Okay. And then when I get home, I'm doing laundry. Dang, I forgot to put some clothes in the washer before I left. Anyways, I'm doing laundry. I need to finish cleaning up my washroom. It's just some stuff I need to throw in the trash. I threw a bunch of stuff in the trash yesterday. I put a bunch of clothes in bags to be donated yesterday. I got 2 bags full so far. I'm pretty sure I can come up with 3, maybe 4. So, like, as I keep, getting new stuff, I'm just going to keep going through my closet and getting rid of old stuff. It's some shoes that I need to let go of. And I probably should do this today. Just get rid of just throw all of my shoes in the trash. Because spring is coming up. It feels like spring outside now. It's so nice outside. Like, it is a gorgeous day. It is so pretty outside. Spring is coming up. I'm gonna have to get some new shoes anyways. I need some sandals. I need some heeled sandals. And I'm gonna need like some sneakers, I guess. Like, yeah, some tennis shoes, as old people say. So it's just stuff I want to change in 2022. Like, I'm not trying to be on the same old stuff. I know people say that every year, and I know I say that every year, but like, I'm getting to the age to where, like, okay, Christina, come on, get it together. So, like, just looking around and, like, seeing that these are goals that I set in place for myself last year and they didn't get done. So what I'm about to do is make sure that they get done this year. And I'm very serious. Like, I can't be in the same place next year this time that I am right now. It means that I'm not growing. It means that I'm not listening to God. It means that I'm not doing what I'm supposed to be doing. So, but we about to put on our big girl panties and do what we were supposed to be doing, because this ain't it. This can't be it. This can't be it. I don't want to work for anybody else. I don't. That's not my goal in life, to work for anybody else. Do I like teaching? Sure, I do. I enjoy teaching it when it's good. Right now, education is in a climate where it's not good. Educators are not happy. We are overworked. We are underpaid. We are unappreciated. And yeah, like, I don't want to keep putting voluntarily putting myself through that every day. So some shit gotta shake, because I can't. Like, what's in me is not gonna allow me to keep going through this. Like, I can't do it. I can't do it. What are you doing? Being nosy. People, boy, when the camera come out, people get weird. But anyways, I can't do it, so I'm not doing it. I'm gonna do the stuff that I want to do today. And do I have days? Sure. And there's also some other things working with my job right now. So it's like, I want to tell y'all, but I don't want to tell y'all, because if it doesn't happen, then it's like, what was the point? So yeah, just know I got stuff working. Like, I'm never going to be settled, because I don't feel like it's within me to be settled. Every time I get settled, I get to like moving around, like, because you can always do more. Am I in a nice position now? Sure, but I can always be better. So yeah, I feel a little settled, and in my settlement, I'm not happy. So I got to change that, and that's what we're working on for 2022, and that's what we're gonna work on when I stop jaw jacking, go get my food, and come back to the house, because we're gonna be great. You understand? Shit.
A god next fighter in his deep.
y'all, I just saw a clip from Tabitha Brown, and it was a 3-minute clip, and it basically said, what are you waiting for? Right? So like all the ideas and all the things that you want to do in life, nobody is making you not do these things, or nobody is stopping you, or nobody's putting obstacles in your way except for you. So what are you waiting for? So all of that just kind of, I don't know, kind of moved me a little bit. I feel like in all of this, because I do want to do different stuff this year and all of that, I feel like I keep getting like little signs here and there that I need to just go on and step out on faith and just do what it is that I want to do. So that's what I'm going to do. So that's whenever I put this phone down and stuff and get settled, that's what I'm gonna start working on. What I wanted to come on here and show y'all is that I finished. I don't know if I came back and showed y'all. This is what I have. Desk, chair, rug, little things. My little, that's gonna be like my, I think that's gonna stay there. It's just simple. And then my printer fits on top. Got my ring light back there, my subwoofer. All of this is trash. Those are boxes. My old 3-in-1 vacuum I had in college, and 2 vases. One of the vases is fine, but the other one is broke at the bottom, so I'm just gonna get rid of both of them. And then in here in my washroom, I finally finished cleaning it up. Let me move this out the way so y'all can get the whole effect. So basically what I did was got a coat rack, and that coat rack is so crooked, it's on an incline. One side is up higher than the other, but anyways, what I did was I put a coat rack in there because y'all seen my closet. It's not really a place where I can like hang my long stuff other than like dresses and stuff. And I just wanted it to be separate, and I want when people come over to have a place to hang up their coat. So what I did was just got a coat rack, and I got it from the at-home store. It was $25. Let me fix it while I'm in here because it's bothering me now that I can see it. There we go. There's a way. Now it's just falling. It's a way you're supposed to tighten it. Anyway, so washer dryer didn't change. My canvases, I just stuck them over here. So those are canvases, and then that's my easel. And then my broom is behind the washer, my vacuum, and then my Swiffer. And then over here, let me scoot this over. It's just like one of those 10-bin organizers that I got from Michael's. It was $30. And so all that stuff that you saw me pull out and have sitting out, I organized it. I threw stuff away, and I put it all in these bins. I can probably consolidate some of these bins, but I got 2 empty bins left. So it really just has like arts and crafts, paints, pigments, glitter, like stuff I use like that. And then behind the door is just my niece's tent that I got them for Christmas. So this little area is organized, and it's organized up here too. These boxes are like boxes that my cable stuff came in, like my Spectrum stuff. So whenever I move and get rid of Spectrum, I'm just put it back in them same boxes. So that's why I kept them. And then this goes to something. I can't remember what it goes to, but there's stuff for something in there. Then we just got my cleaning stuff and my toolbox, hot water heater. But that is my little washroom. Turned out perfectly. So that being clean, like helped with some anxiety that I was feeling about my apartment just not being what I wanted it to be. I did all that talking and the dang on tent done fell. I'll pick it up later. Okay, so then I finished cleaning. I feel like I just been cleaning, and that's one of the reasons why I didn't go to work today, because this ain't done and it's bothering me that it's not done. So anyways, I was talking about this area over here. I don't know if, I really don't remember if I came back Should probably watch that clip. But in this corner over here, because it is some room over here, all right, and it's pretty empty, I can always move my desk up some, and move the carpet up. I can just pull that forward if I need some room. But what I'm going to do, I'm thinking about getting either a chase lounge and putting it over there, or getting a chair and a rug, not a chair and a rug, a chair and an ottoman, so that I can sit there and read, pray, meditate, do all that good stuff. And then this space back here will just be like empty or whatever, because I don't think I want anything blocking the light right here. So I'm gonna put it in this corner where the subwoofer is, and then the chair will be right there, probably at an angle, and then, or probably, maybe I can put it like right in front of this window and have it angled coming this way, so it'll just take up some of this space. And then I wanted to take some of these books off my bookshelf, just so I can give it a more minimalistic vibe. So yeah, I'm still working out the kinks on this area over here. I just know that with that dining room table, I feel so much, dining room table gone, I feel so much better about this area. So now what I'm about to do is tackle my kitchen. My kitchen's not really dirty. I really just have to clean off my island. I don't take out my own trash, so all I have to do is tie this up and put both of these outside, and they'll come pick them up. And then on the other side, if y'all remember, these were in my chairs and those mats were on my table. I don't want either of those. My mom told me to put the stuff on Poshmark or sell it or something, but I don't even care that much. And then the last thing I'll be working on is the room. I feel like my room is never clean because I feel like I'm doing laundry day. Does anybody else feel like that? Like they do laundry every day? And I'm just like, where are these clothes coming from? Because I swear I don't have no clothes. But it's maybe because I'm always washing them, and I just never realize how much I actually have. But needs to be hung up, needs to be hung up. That's just underwear and stuff that can just be thrown in the drawer. And then those are some boots. Oh, y'all like my new boots? These are some little cream boots, because I don't have no cream boots that I got from Shein. And the heel is all glittery. I gotta get the paper off, but these my new boots. Boxes can go in the trash. And then I don't know if y'all's parents used to just make y'all do this, but when my mama taught me how to do laundry, she always made me physically take the clothes out of the basket and put them in piles. So that's why these piles of clothes are on my floor. There was a pile right here, but that's in the washer. And then those were just my everyday clothes. These are my work clothes. These are my light colored clothes. These are some towels. And then those are my sheets. So my mama was one of those mamas who, the way she taught us to wash clothes was to separate all of them in piles. So I still do that. Then I gotta find somewhere to donate these 2 bags of clothes. I'm thinking I can turn those. This is what I was talking about when I was in the car. Turning these 2 bags into 3 or 4. Because I plan on ordering some more stuff, of course. I told y'all about it. So when I get that new stuff, I'm going to have to put it somewhere. In order for me to find somewhere to put it, because I don't want to just move some stuff, put it somewhere else, and then bring in my new clothes. I want to just get rid of the stuff that I no longer wear or don't plan on wearing or haven't worn. I still have a couple things in my closet with tags on them, and it's been like that for a couple years. So I'm going to get rid of some stuff whenever my new stuff comes in. Hey y'all. So today is Tuesday. Y'all know I did not go to work tomorrow. Well, I didn't go to work tomorrow. I didn't go to work yesterday.
I couldn't connect Kristeena Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5.
Okay, Alexa, thank you. Y'all know I didn't go to work yesterday. Today is Tuesday. Today is the first day of the week that I'm supposed to go to the gym. So, what I'm about to do, because it is now 4:45, I'm supposed to go to the gym at 8. I'm about to make me a pre-workout so that I have some little energy before I go. So, this is what y'all saw me. I showed y'all the pre-workout. This is it. I'm about to make it for the first time. Hopefully it tastes like juice and it's not nasty. So let's do this together. Ooh, excuse me. I got the hiccups and I'm bursting. So I've never taken a pre-workout before. So let me read the instructions. Mix 2 scoops or... I'm so sorry. I got the hiccups. Mix 2 scoops, which is 10 grams, with 10 to 12 ounces of water. For amino acid support, use 1 scoop, which is 5 grams, which provides 50 milligrams of caffeine. For pre-workout energy, mix 3 scoops for 150 milligrams. So y'all telling me to mix 2 scoops, 1 scoop, and 3 scoops. Which one is it? So I'm gonna go in the middle and I'm gonna do 2 scoops. I don't know if this paper stink. No, it's this powder. This powder stinks. This shit better not be nasty. I'm gonna be mad. I'm gonna have to give it to my workout partner and be like, bitch, you can have this because this is disgusting. Is there a thing in here? My hands are clean. Okay. So, because it stinks so much, I'm thinking I want to do 1 scoop. Y'all, this stink. I'm gonna do 2 scoops. So here go my first scoop. Scoop number 2. This is what it looks like. The stuff is still at the bottom. You can see it. So I'm about to put this top on here and just shake it up a little bit. Oh, y'all, hope this ain't nasty. That smell is giving nasty vibes, though. So this will determine if I need to take 1 scoop or if 2 scoops is enough. First reaction on camera. It smells a little better when it's mixed up. Oh, it's good. It tastes like juice. Okay. All right, tropical. Okay. All right, we can do this. So the next time I'm going to try the fruit punch. So we're going to see what I feel like. It's 4:52. We're going to see what I feel like at 7. That's when my alarm goes off and tells me that it's time for me to get up, give me my right stop. It's time to go to the gym. So at 7, I'm going to let y'all know how I feel. Hopefully I got a little energy, a little boost. Okay, y'all. I'm back at home. I just made it back from the gym. Okay, so long story short. Texas is about to experience, or North Texas is about to experience a winter storm. Right? Last year in February, we had a storm. It snowed for a couple days, and then it never got above freezing for about a week and a half. So that snow and that sleet, it eventually turned into ice, and we could not drive on the roads. We couldn't do anything. We had to stay in the house for almost 2 weeks. That was horrible. All right, there was a bunch of power outages and everything. All right, they are anticipating they've been preparing the roads since I watched the news on Monday. They've been preparing the roads since Monday. So we're supposed to have another storm. It's not going to last as long as the other one did. It's only going to be for a couple of days. So it's supposed to start, today is Tuesday. It's supposed to start Wednesday night. So when I get off work, it's supposed to start raining and like sleeting a little bit. So it's going to freeze overnight because the temperature is going to be below freezing. On Thursday, it's not supposed to get above, I think 21 or something like that. And then on Friday, I think the high is like 29. So still below freezing, right? So for the next few days, we're going to have ice and snow. And y'all know in Texas, our stuff turns into black ice, all right? So whenever people in Texas hear the words winter and storm together, oh, they act like it's a motherfucking apocalypse coming, okay? I went to Kroger after I left the gym because I'm like, I'm gonna need some food just to get me through these next couple of days. Like, I have food, but just to be on the safe side, let me get some extra stuff, you know, just in case. Because, you know, Texas weather is bipolar. They can say it's gonna last for 2 days and that shit gonna end up lasting for 2 weeks. So I'm like, let me just go get some food just so I can be cool. Got some meat, y'all. I went and got some meat, got some rice, got some eggs, you know, cheese, the basic stuff that you need to like make a meal and make it last for a few days. I go into Kroger, and mind you, I live in a suburban area. Okay, I live downtown. Well, not really suburban, but I live in a pretty fancy area. These white people acting like it is the end of the world, okay? Why are y'all clearing off these freaking racks? Why is there no ground meat? Why is there no ground turkey? What do y'all really think is about to happen? The same thing, I guess they're thinking that the same thing that we experienced last year, we're going to experience this year because it was pretty horrible. Nobody could go anywhere. There were so many power outages. People had to like stay at home, find shelter because it was freezing and there was no power. Luckily, I stay on a grid with the hospital. So my power is probably never going to go out. Never say never. Cross my fingers, knock on some wood or something. So hopefully it never goes out, right? But why y'all acting like this is the end of the world? Why are y'all acting like they acting like it's 1999 and it's about to be 2000? Y'all know how people was acting crazy back then, like buying up all the goddamn water off the shelves and shit. That's what they doing. I'm so tired of these stupid ass people. Like, Texas and snow does not go together. When we see some shit coming out the sky that's not rain, oh baby, they gonna freak out. Okay, they shitting bricks. Okay, they are terrified. So I have to go get some water. I could have got some water when I was at Kroger. I just didn't feel like it. So, cause my arms hurt. Today was arm day at the gym. So I feel like carrying all that stuff upstairs. So I'm just gonna go tomorrow, either during my lunch break or after work, pick up some water, probably get some paper towels. I don't need any tissue. I have 2 rolls of paper towels. That should last me. And then I probably just need a couple things of water. If I stay here by myself, if nobody comes to visit me, I will be fine. But I have a feeling that my boyfriend is going to be over here the entire time we are in this house or during this snowstorm. I have a feeling my mother's going to come by and visit. My nieces might stop by and visit. So I just took some extra precautions and got a little bit of extra stuff. I have enough food in that refrigerator right now to last for just me for a couple of weeks. I can make some shit shake with that stuff that I got in the refrigerator and in the freezer and in my pantry. But just to be on the safe side, because I just have a feeling. And normally when I have a feeling, I'm correct. So that is why I had to go stock up and get just a couple of items. I got some eggs. Don't need no milk. I hope I don't need no milk. I think I just bought some milk. Eggs, cheese. I got a pizza. Yeah, my milk is full. I got 1.5 things of water. I'm gonna go buy a few more waters. I don't need no butter. I got a thing of butter that's not even open and one that's halfway done. I got pizza. I got some burgers, chicken wings, some rice, you know, stuff that I can make last. So that's it for you, girl. I'm just gonna go to the store tomorrow and get me some water and some, I think I need some paper towels. Some water. Yep, I got 2 rolls of paper towel. Oh, look at that. Look at Jesus. It's a water down there. So I got 2.5 things of water. And 2 paper towel rolls. So I need to go get some paper towels. Alright, if my boyfriend come over here, I'm gonna tell him, you gotta pay. You gotta do something. You gotta bring something. Okay? But I'm tired. And I'm about to go to bed. And tomorrow is my Friday. It's snowing outside.
Waiting, hitting you the DM looking falling. Talking while you come around and now they silent.